So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in sound settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down to the input section and then you want to select your microphone. If you do not see your microphone here, then next to pair a new input device, you want to click on add device. And then from here, you can just add your device. But it should detect it automatically. Now we're going to scroll up to the output tab and you want to make sure that your correct speakers have been selected. Now you want to scroll down and then under input, next to volume, you want to set this to the max. I like to keep my microphone on 88, so that's why I set it to 88, but if you want to make it louder, then you can set it to 100. Now once you've done that, you want to scroll down to the very bottom and then click on more sound settings. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on the recording tab and you want to make sure that your microphone has been set as a default device. So you want to click on it and then click on set default, then the green tick will appear right here. Now we're going to double click on our microphone and then now we're going to click on levels. You want to make sure that your microphone's been set to the max. Now once you've done that, we're going to click on the advanced tab and then you want to set this quality to the highest. And you also want to untick both of these options right here. Untick both of them and then click on apply. If you want to test your microphone, you want to head over to the listen tab and then click on listen to this device. And then click on apply. Now once you clicked on apply and then this was ticked, if you start talking, you're going to start hearing yourself and then you can test your microphone. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs and then you want to find your microphone. You want to right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best drivers for your device have been installed. Now if your speakers or your microphone comes with a software, then you want to head over to the software and then click on your device and then head over to settings and make sure that your firmware is up to date. Now once you complete both these steps, you want to restart your computer and then your microphone will be louder.